easiest thing to do to discover hot products in any marketplace is to do a nonsense gobbledygook search to find all the best sellers. And the way you do that is you do a minus sign and then you do a gobbledygook search term like that. The most important thing is it cannot show any of the searches that come up. Let me just go back. So you see here we've got possible searches. Well, you have to keep going until they all disappear, all right? So you have to get all those kind of possible search terms, you have to go. Hit enter. And now these are all the best selling items on Amazon, and you can go look for things to sell on amazon.com.au. If we do the same thing on amazon.com, you'll see it works there too. Blah, 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 blah. Little nonsense search. There we go. And so you can use this as a way of doing very, very fast searches. It shows you all the best sellers. I mean, that's what it really does. And so I use this heaps to go searching for things. You can go into categories and things like that. So look at that, resistance bands by Lim. Holy dooly. Pretty cool. So you can do that. That's a really good thing to do. And then what I would do after that is I would come back and I would verify that data, what I get from Amazon with merchant words, and just plug something into merchant words and do it from there. That would work. Very, very cool way of utilizing that, Nicholas. So you use the two in conjunction whilst you're waiting for Unicorn Smasher or Jungle Scout to arrive here with their data. I mean, if you want to use Amazon Australia search data in merchant words, that's normally $60 a month to get that. But we had George Lawrence on here last Monday. George spoke and he gave us a very, very cool little place we can go and get a discount. And it's merchantwords.com/Aussie online entrepreneurs, all one word, and you'll get a big discount. It's $39 instead of $60. That's a big discount for you. I don't get any of that. I always get asked if I would prefer to either get a commission or pass on my commission to you guys, and I always choose the pass on my commission to you guys. So that's why you've got that. That would be normal affiliate commission. That the difference there, $21 would normally be an affiliate commission, but you've just got it because that's just cool. That's just a groovy thing to do, man. So you've got that there, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs through Merchant Words, and so that's what I would do for that, Nicholas, if I was looking for that. And actually, that hack, the little nonsense hack, works so well. It's such a cool thing. You can go searching for all sorts of cool stuff within that, and if you click on, let's just look at different departments, home and kitchen, you can see the best-selling things in those particular categories. And then what I do, here's a little sexy little tip for you. What I do is I now search for products of a certain price. So if I'm looking at selling on Amazon.com, which is crazily competitive for the most part, and I go look and I'm going to say to myself, well, where can I get an edge? Well, maybe I can get an edge selling things that are either very big, oversized, or very expensive. Well, now I can do that by looking at what the best sellers are that are expensive. So that's a kind of cool thing that I do. And when I'm looking for products, I do this all the time. So there you go. 2 cool little hacks for you, Nicholas, to help you find some cool stuff. I don't think we can do that yet. Let's just have a look. Are we on Amazon.com? Kitchen dining. Oh yeah, we can. That's cool. There you go. So it does work on here too. There you go. That's what I'd be doing. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business, here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.